The materials needed for this activity is paper sheets and Scotch tape. First, you lay a piece of paper flat and then you roll them diagonally. And then you secure the end with Scotch tape. The tighter the paper roll is, the firmer it will be and it will provide more support. Then you repeat the steps to create as many paper sticks as you need. For every 3 sticks you have, you can make a triangle. You cross the ends of the 2 sticks and secure it by wrapping Scotch tape around it. With the same method, you can also create other structures like rectangles. However, be aware that other shapes are not as strong and firm as a triangle. The reason why triangle is the firmest structure is because it has fixed ends, which means if you apply pressure to one edge of the triangle, the force will be evenly distributed to the other 2 sides. And now you're equipped with enough knowledge to create your own stable and creative paper structures.